Well guys, welcome back. We're here at the shop today. I'm in my pickup right now and we got a few things to do. It's been a minute. We've been lacking pretty hard after the Cali trip to go pick up those two cars and then the one falling through, and we were pretty dead on the whole filming thing for a bit there, but we're back. We got a few things to do today. We're about to leave for Washington next weekend to go to Spirit Peaks. Well, I don't want to be pulling a trailer and have any issues, so gonna do ball joints on the front of this. They're a little bit loose. Connor just got new wheels for his STI, which you guys may or may not have seen. Let's see what this guy's got going on. There's the Z over there. We just got the diff welded up in it, so it's almost ready to go. A few more things to button up. We need to roll the fenders. Got a dust cover that's catching in the front, so I need to pull that guy back. A few little just touch up things. Let me in. What do we got?
Working on something different this time. Got new wheels for the daily. Some nice rays. Oh yeah.
Spice this thing up a little bit. I don't know if they've seen it yet.
2014 STI. Limited edition color. Previous owners, I guess, Tasteful Subaru guy. The N right there means this is a group N mount, which is a OEM Subaru rally part.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. That's a good fit me right there.
Golly. Well, this turned into an ordeal.
Active brakes.
I guess Thor put these spacers on.
Okay, change.
What do you have there? That doesn't look like an impact.
Oh, that's impacting all right. It's just supposed to be a wheel change, guys. Look at that. Stop.
Another day.
We'll see what happens.
Well, the extractor didn't work. Well, we just ate more out of it. So now the hub's coming off. I'm kind of worried that this stud is just completely messed up now. So, because with it being that tight, it withheld an extraction tool, an air hammer, and an impact.
Finger game.
Will it fit?
Yeah, there she is. Oh yeah, rotate time.
Switching out 1.3G or another one. O'Reilly's number 2.
Let's see if we get good parts here.
a hub and a rotor. And a lug? Are those other ones the same?
I got new lug nuts.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, that looks good. I need a buckle one more time, but I figured I'd make it so after we get mounted.
Are you impressed with our work for the day?
No, you guys got jack shit done. I think I've gotten more done than you, and I've been home for like 20 minutes. All clean.
Not bad. What do you got going on?
Rebuilding some wheels.
The weds.
Yep, because they're flat. They don't hold air.
And have to be back together by Sunday, and it's Monday. And
Christmas is on Thursday.
yeah. Christmas is Thursday, holidays all week, and then drifting on Sunday. And 2 cars that aren't together, and a truck that needs a front end rebuilt, and another car that's stuck on the lift. So, you know.
Clean one wheel and like, oh, that looks good. I got fucking 3 more to do.
Good boy.
Some big brakes.
Hey, are wheels supposed to be round? My wheel's not very round. Still holds air. It don't hold air. Oh, no it doesn't. That's why I'm doing this, I guess. It don't hold air. It don't hold air. It don't hold air.
10 minutes.
Last wheel going on.
Yeah. See, sometimes it works out. Spend extra money, but just save the time because now we're done in 10 minutes getting the wheel back on, so.
Oops. You were like that.
Needs a wash and taillights.
Does need a wash pretty bad.
Very bad. Haven't washed it yet since I bought it, surprisingly. We're supposed to do that today. That was the goal. Wheels and ceramic coat it, actually, because that's how much time I thought it would have. Make sure you torque your wheel spacers to spec.
Good.
Shop dog. She's fed. That's what the vest is for.
You've really just been a side segment in this video.
It's because this shit isn't interesting. This sucks.
What we did today was not very fun either. That truck's supposed to be on the lift with its front end torn out.
Didn't we just put that front end together?
No, maybe. At least the car's back on the road. So that's something. What do we do today?
5.5 hours worth of work. That's what we did.
I got my wheels prepped. Got the faces all clean and prepped all the mating surfaces. Now we can just put some sealer on them after we bolt them all together with the 200 bolts.
Look good. Hopefully get them together by Sunday.
Hopefully I can find somewhere to mount them.
Other than that, we got wheels put on the STI there. Didn't go very well.
As you saw, that was blown way out of proportion.
Got all the stocks here.
Add it to the pile. Is these stocks?
Is it crazy to use STI wheels for drift spares?
Yeah, that's all for now.
See you guys in the next one.